Day 3, which was the final day of the 32nd Engineering Assembly, saw an engineering family forum and engaging technical sessions where papers were presented and key issues around the industry from training, education, policies, and international accreditations were discussed.
This year we have additional activity, and that is the inauguration of the Sector Skill Council in engineering. From now on, we are going to see how the artisans, when I say artisans, I mean people like vulcanizers, plumbers, electricians, all those that are at the bottom of the pyramid. We now have a system that will recognize their competencies, their skills, and that will certify them, that will license them, and that will regulate them to be able to work in harmony with the other higher colleagues on the ladder. Another event that this year is also witnessing, which is what is happening now, is that we were able to invite the global chair of the Dublin Accord under the International Engineering Alliance, who was the guest speaker yesterday, and now he is conducting a workshop for Nigeria to be able to know and understand the procedures of registering in what you call the Sydney and Dublin Accord. Now, these are international bodies that allow Nigeria to make its submission so that we can be admitted into this accord. And this accord will allow Nigerians, technicians, artisans, craftsmen to be recognized. What are the procedures, what are the qualifications and the requirements for Nigeria to submit itself for assessment by the global body, so that our artisans, our craftsmen, our technicians will be certified and have the capacity and ability to work anywhere in the world.
The leadership of the engineering professional associations, which includes the presidents of NSE, NATE, NICET, NAEC, and ACCEN, also gave in their submissions.
We advocated at the last Coren Assembly for supervised industrial attachment, and we are happy with the Coren, with Council, that steps have been taken in this direction.
No craftsmen will be sponsored, please. My President, sir. Your position is yielding for this 23rd Engineering Assembly, proving like the craftsmen are coming up. And with your good leadership, we appeal on behalf of the craftsmen and this hall. You can see the number of craftsmen that attended this assembly. It's not up to 10. We are called this staff. And look at the engineering setup. Calling the members an engineer, technologist, engineering technician, then Mr. the craftsman. It's unfair, Mr. President. I'm appealing for you to give that nomination as you have started with good hope.
The grand finale of the ceremony was the assembly dinner. President of Coren, Professor Sadiq Abubakar, in his opening remark, thanked everyone for their support and commitment and wished everyone participant safe departure to their various destinations. Professor Tunji Alaupa, who was one of the guests on the night, proposed a toast to the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
To the future of Nigeria and cheers to a great nation and to have a great evening. One heart can be all. Everybody say one love. Say one heart.
The dinner marked the end of a remarkable assembly as engineers from all parts of the country dine and marry. The Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria will begin its task on tackling pungent issues raised in the 32nd Coren Assembly.